Hi, I'm Maree
And I'm Jacqueline.
and we are a mother and daughter team from Maree Pigdon Sewing Centre. So in this video we are going to share with you as to why we've created this new course.
If you've missed our previous videos, we're currently in the launch process of our new online sewing course called Beyond The Pattern Designer Shirts. So Maree, how about you share with everyone why we've made this shirt course?
Well, I've been teaching over 40 odd years now people to sew, to create their own garments to fit their body shape, to have the designer details and to make their garments unique. And so we thought that we would like to share these techniques with other sewers right across the world so that you will be able to follow step by step the instructions and create garments like these for yourself at home.
So what this new online sewing course consists of is approximately 4 hours of sewing video tutorials with myself and Maree, written instructions. You can access this online course via your smartphone, tablet or computer. And once you've purchased it and get your access details, you can start straight away or anytime you like.
And if you have any questions at all, please let us know.
In our next video, we will be answering most of those common questions. For example, what skills do you already need to have to enroll in this course, and various other details about the course.
So this is Maree and Jackie, and we'll see you again shortly.